Hey, fifth grade, how's it going? Happy Friday, August 11th. Today, what you're going to be doing is reviewing different math concepts using Playground Games. Math Playground Games is a free website that you can use in order to just understand math concepts a little bit better. What you need to do is just go to Google and then type in Math Playground. Okay, it's a free resource that you can use. Here are a couple of games that you guys can play. So the first one, we're going to be looking at a geometry concept with angles. So you just click on the button, and we actually did this one last time. What you need to do is find out the angle measurement closest to 125. You can see the angle measurement right there. This is 90 degrees, right? We already talked about that in previous lessons. So this would be like 100 degrees. 120, approximately 125. It's kind of a guess, right? Then you click on the rocket. Ooh, I was off by 8 degrees, but I was still kind of close, 117. I'll put this link in the video notes so you guys can play this later on. This one is all about 2D shapes. Okay, so let's see if we can find out the 2D shapes. These are different words that represent two-dimensional shapes in English, right? We have trapezoid, pentagon. Those are not the same. Ooh, this is a 6-sided shape, which is a hexagon. Let's see if we can find the word hexagon. Ooh, not the same. Oh, that was an 8-sided shape. This is a 6-sided shape. Hexagon, hexagon. Okay, cool. Let's see. This is an octagon, same as a stop sign, not the same as a square. Pentagon. Ooh, that's a square. So did I see square? Okay, we got that correct. Trapezoid, that's a 4-sided shape. Not the same. Pentagon, ooh. Octagon, ooh, where was my octagon? I think that was it. Good. Triangle, triangle. That's a pentagon. 5-sided shape. And a trapezoid is a 4-sided shape. Okay, only one side of parallel sides, right? One pair of parallel sides. You can play it again. I'll put this in the link. Here's another one. You have to make a number. You have 4 numbers and 4 operations. Can you make the target number? So let's play. Check this out. Okay, so the target number is 63. What do we need to do? Well, we need to use addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division to try to figure this problem out. So let's see. 7 times 7 equals 49. And 49 plus 1 equals 50. Ooh, no, I don't think I'm going to be able to do it. 50 minus 8 is 42. Didn't get to my target number. 50 divided by 8. No, not the same thing. Oh, I didn't do that one quite right. So we're going to try a new thing. Let's go back. See if we can figure this out in a different way. Oh, can I go back one more time? Nope, I can't go back one more time. Let's try 49 divided by 1 is 49. Now, I'm still not going to be able to get to 63. Ooh, this is tough, boys and girls. 49 minus 8 is going to be 41. Still didn't get to my target number. Okay, so we're going to try something different. 7 times 8 is 56. All right, now 56 divided by 7 is 8. Ugh, still didn't get to my target number. I know that 8 times 7 is 63, so I gotta figure out how to get my 7. 8 minus 1 equals 7. Now 7 times 8 is 63, but I still don't have that. So let's try something different. What could we do now? We could try 8 times 7 is, okay, 8 times 7 is 56. And now 56 How do I get 56 divided by 7 equals 8? I think we came back to the same issue that we were at before. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to get to this one. 8. I'm just guessing now. We just have 9. Now, 9 is also a factor of 63. So if you can try to figure this out, go ahead and do it. Mr. Joseph cannot figure it out in this moment, but that's okay. Let's look at a fractions concept. This is a different game. All right, we're supposed to choose our fractions. Include decimals? Sure. Why not? Choose our monster. Which monster should we do? I like this one, this blue one. Okay. Which fractions should we do? Simple or difficult? Let's try simple first. Okay, now, it says reach the finish line first. Can you make each math statement true? All right, 2/3 equals blank. Which decimal equals 2/3? Well, I know 2/3 is the same thing as 0.66. So, where is my answer? 2/3 is also the same thing as 4/6. So I'm just gonna, let's see. We need to reach the finish line first. All right. Well, 2/3 equals which number? 4/6. Let me see if I can drag this. How do you drag this? There we go. 4/6. Same thing as this one. All right. Oh, okay. This guy moved. Now, 1/4 equals. What's the same as 1/4? I know that's 25 hundredths or 0.25. Same thing. 3/4 equals 0.75. Yep, that's correct. Okay, so this guy moves on his own. You see the question over here? 2/4 equals 1/2. Ooh, can I move here? I sure can. 1/3 is bigger than 0.2 or 20 hundredths. Yes, that's true. 0.9 is bigger than 90 hundredths is the same or bigger than 1/3. I need to get to the finish line. This is my finish line. I'm kind of far away. All right, 1/4 is smaller than 1/2. Okay. All right, this guy's question. Oh, they're the same. Look at it. He's getting really close to the finish line. 1/2 is smaller than or less than. I would say it's less than. Oh, I want to get closer. Let's try this one. Yep. All right, we got a little bit closer. Oh, I think he's going to answer this question. Oh, we got further away. We have a chance. 25 hundredths is less than. Oh, which one could we pick? Well, actually, it's less than this. 80 hundredths or 8 tenths. We're getting closer. Oh, he's getting further away. All right, 1/8 is less than. 1/8 is less than 1/6. Is that correct? It is. Ooh, I wonder if we're towards the finish line. Oh, he's getting further and further away. 2/6 is greater than. It's the same as 1/3. So what's greater than 1/3 is greater than this one? Did we get it correct? We did. Okay, so you can keep playing this one if you want to. We're going to go to a different game. This one is all about equations, right? I think we did this one in a previous class, actually. Let's just be player 890. That's fine. Create new game. Create game. All right, let's start the game in 3, 2, 1. All right, let's see. X plus 7 equals 8. 1 plus 7 equals 8. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 1 plus 2 equals, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Something minus 4 equals 7 minus 4 equals 3. 6 minus 5 equals 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 10 minus 3 equals 7. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 6 minus 2 equals 4. You'll notice I'm doing this backwards. 15 minus 3 equals 12. So 12 plus 3 equals 15. Okay, 8 minus 6 equals 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. And 2 plus 12 equals that. And let's see, 5 minus 2 equals 3. Hey, we won. Look at that. It was really close, actually. All right. We got pretty close. Let's do another game. This one, boys and girls, is all about missing digits multiplication. Let's try this. All right. Let's click on the screen. Now, your answer is 3 digits long. It has 4 in its ones place. So what two numbers multiplied together equal 54? 54. Well, I know that 6 times... No. Let me try that again. No, not 54. Let's see. Something times something equals 4. And then we're going to take 5 times this number. So let's go 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 7 is 42. Let's not use 6. Let's try 2 times 7 is 14. Okay, let's try that. That ends in a 4. Now 7 times 5 is 35. Plus the 1 on the top is 36. So let's actually put that right here. And then 3 is going to go on the top. 7 times 2. Let's see. 7 times 5 is 35. Plus 1 is 36. So that 3 is going to go on the top. 7 times 0 is 0. Plus 3 is 3. We got it. Took us a little while, but that's okay. Got to kind of see what works the best. All right, so we're going to try that again. Try a different problem. Or go to the second one. Okay, you can try this one on your own. Pause the video if you want to try it. I'm going to go to a different game. This is all about exploring area and parameter with triangles, parallelograms, and more. So you can actually draw different shapes. For example, you can draw triangles. All right, this is, for example, we can make this an equilateral triangle, I think. Let me just see if I can make this an equilateral triangle. Oh, I can't actually. I got to move this over a little bit. What if I go like that? Is this an equilateral triangle? Yes, now it is. All right, it means that all 3 of these angles are the same measurement. I think they're all 60 degrees. Okay, we can also make a right triangle. I can move this over and make a right triangle. There it is right there. I can also make an isosceles triangle. All right, I think that's an isosceles triangle if I'm not mistaken. Actually, no, it's not. Let me just measure this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me move this over. One more. There we go. Okay, so you can kind of mix it around if you want. You can make this bigger. The grids, you can change it up a little bit. You can add rubber bands, make your own triangle, change the color. Lots of cool things you can do. All right, here we go. Shape inlay. We are trying to find out more about trapezoids, rhombus, triangles, and squares. So let's start. Drag the tiles at the bottom of the screen to complete the shape. Press the space bar to rotate the dragging tile. You will lose when the tile piles up on the bottom area. You can discard a tile by dropping it into the hole. Let's start. Ooh, okay. Move the tiles to the correct spot. Oh boy. Not sure if I got points there. Let's try that. And move it right here. Alright. Move the tiles in the correct spot. I wonder where should this go? It's like an anagram. I'm going to put that right here. I'm just going to take a while, but we're not going to do the whole thing. Oh, look at that. I found a spot for this. Where was that one? Right there. Okay. Move this over right there. Okay. Getting a good score. Pretty good score, I suppose. Where should this one go? Can't really tell. How about right there? Alright, so you guys get the point. That'll be inside of the chat. I'm sorry, inside of the video later on. Alright, this one's all about cubes, okay? Hidden cubes, specifically. So, count the number of cubes. Enter the answer by clicking the number on the screen or pressing the corresponding keys. Alright, ooh, this one's pretty simple. 1, 2, 3, right? Okay. Ooh, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Check the next one. Ooh, this one's a little more difficult. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're going to start hiding cubes on us. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, ooh. 1, 2, 3. On the bottom. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, you get the idea, right? I already got up to 5,000 points. Pause the video and see if you can figure this one out. Let's try the next one. Alright, we already did something like this, but you're supposed to make a number, right? I think we did this one already, actually. Let's try this one, some time, right? Puzzle pick clocks, it's called. Tick-tock, tick-tock, can you tell time with an analog clock? 1:30. Which one of these is 1:30? This is a concept you learned in 2nd grade. Do you remember it? Alright, so if I wanted to find 1:30, I would... right there. 1:30. So drag the piece to the correct answer. I need to... How do I drag it? Drag the piece to the correct answer. How do I drag the piece? I know that this is 1:30 right here, but I can't figure out how to drag it. Oops. Okay, 11 o'clock. Let's try 11 o'clock. Well, the red hand is going to be on the 12, and this is the smaller minute hand is on the 11. I can't really figure out how to drag it, though. Oh, here we go. You got to put this piece on top. Now I understand. 3:15. There we go. 3:15 in between the 3 and the 4. 9:40. What time is 9:40? Here we go. 30, 35, 40 on the 8, right? 8:20. Oh, found it right away. 8, small hand, and then the 20 is that 4, right? The big hand, red hand, goes on the 4 for 20 minutes past the hour. 5:30. All right, that one's pretty simple right there. 5, and then the 6 is 30, right? 1 o'clock. Oh, found that right away. 1 o'clock. 8:45. 8:45 is shown right here. Okay, you can see that smaller minute hand is inching towards the 9. It's not quite there yet because it's still 8 o'clock plus 45 minutes is 8:45. 12:15 right there. And the last one, 10 minutes to 8 or 7:50. Look at that. What did we create? I think that's called an aardvark. You can play the next one if you want to. The link will be in the video notes. All right, candy challenge. Some of you guys play similar games to this, right? It says, where do the candies go? Let's try this. New game. First level. Select a candy. How much does it cost? Now, select the jar with the correct price on it. Okay, so 42 is our amount. We need to select the correct jar with the price. Let's see. 30, select a candy. All right, I selected the candy. How much does it cost? 42. Now select the jar with the correct price on it. I don't see any of them that say 42, but we could go 30 plus 10 plus 2, I think. Not really sure how to play this, actually. Now select the jar with the correct price on it. Well, that's confusing. I don't know how to play. 56 cents. Select a candy. I don't know how to play, boys and girls. I can't figure it out. That's okay. Let's try the next one. This one's all about evaluating expressions, right? Order of operation. This is a concept that we did in class. So calculate the given equations, then enter the answer by clicking the next screen. So 7 divided by 1 is 7. Submit. Here's going to get harder. 0 plus 1 is 1, and then 1 times 6 is 6. Okay. Ooh, what's in parentheses first? 1 divided by 1 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. And 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, cool. 41 plus 55. Well, the ones place, 1 plus 5 is 6. And 4 plus 5 tenths is 9. So 96 is your answer. Alright. Ones place first. 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 4 tenths is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 tenths. So put my 3 on the bottom and put my 1 on the top. 7 plus 1 plus 1 more 100 is 8. So 8, 3, 6, I think is what I remember correctly. Oh, I don't know if this is correct. Oh, I didn't get it correct. Let's try it again. Let me actually put this on the screen so you guys can see it. I wonder if I can write on the screen. Is it going to let me? It's not going to let me. That's okay. We'll go to the next game. Actually, the rest of these are videos, boys and girls. So if you wanted to watch something about line plots, you could. It's all about line plots. It's going to talk about plotting
Here we have a book that is 9 inches long.
Things as far as measurement goes. Okay. You can look at the different measurements, right? And you can try to figure out the different objects if you want to. All right. And then here's another video. It talks about graphing, which is a concept you get to learn about a little bit later on in 5th grade.
Each time a friend told me they and the
talks
numbers
about
on the
different
left side could be
data
labeled fruit,
points,
since
and
they're
then the
like
labels
apples.
on a graph, the
So
tallies
here on the
that
graph, we will have this bar at the bottom pairs. So the
and then
bar
the
goes up
bars
just
that
one.
correspond with the data. Okay.
From 3 oranges.
So hopefully you guys learned a little bit more about different concepts. You're able to review a whole lot of different concepts, right? With angle measurements and different target numbers, relating fractions to decimals, being able to think quickly on your feet, multiplication, division, tanagrams with shapes, and different understanding of spatial reasoning, and then, time that we learned before. Didn't understand this game. That's okay. But if you have any more questions, boys and girls, this was a review week. So check out this video from last time. We were able to review different pages in our review book. But other than that, thanks for attending class, and we will see you guys later.